Hi, Dave here for Corrigan Corporation with a quick look at the nozzles available with our patented Ultramist produce misting system. Designed and manufactured right here in the United States, Corrigan's Ultramist system provides a thin, dew-like moisture barrier to produce, which helps maintain product integrity. 4 different nozzles offer unique spray patterns to accommodate specific misting needs. All offer full coverage for various case styles and displays. First, we have the 80-degree hollow cone. You would select this nozzle for misting in the canopy of a produce case. The 80-degree hollow cone is typically used with our fan-style nozzle in an alternating fashion. Next, we have the 80-degree low-flow hollow cone fogging nozzle. This is used in the same application as our 80-degree hollow cone, but because of its unique design, offers the lowest flow in the industry, saving you water and energy. In addition, this nozzle provides a fog-like appearance during the misting cycle. The third option, our fan-style nozzle, is ideal for misting along the back of a produce case to avoid overspray on mirrors or to achieve a more directed spray pattern. The fan-style nozzle is also great for narrow product displays. Finally, we offer the 110-degree hollow cone nozzle. You'd select this nozzle for under-shelf installation and when the product is close to the mist bar. All of our Ultramist nozzles feature a simple slide control, allowing for individual nozzles to be turned on or off. This flexibility makes remerchandising displays a breeze. For more information, please see our Ultramist system overview video for a look at the complete system. When ordering, Corrigan also provides a simple 3-step process, which is reviewed in our video, How to Order Your Ultramist System. And with nationwide installation and service, Corrigan is with you every step of the way. To learn more about Ultramist, view our additional videos, visit our website at corriganmist.com or give us a call at 800-462-6478. And to receive notifications of new videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.